Hello, ninth grade. It's Miss Dodabo here in the Harding Library. Normally by now you would have had a chance to come to the library, take a little tour so I could show you all around and you could see what all the things you could check out. You can actually still check out books. So today I'm going to go through a little bit how we're organized online and in the library so you can hopefully find a book you want. You can request a book and put it on curbside pickup and come to Harding and get it right at the front. You can also request books from the St. Paul Public Library. You can check out ebooks from the Harding Library and ebooks from the St. Paul Public Library. So I'm going to go over how to do all that so you can hopefully find something to use for your independent reading. Most library apps and catalogs work about the same way. We have 4 or 5 different places you can look in. It's sort of like looking for something to watch. You might have to look in Apple TV or Twitch or Peacock or Hulu or Crunchyroll or Vudu or Disney Plus, YouTube, Stars, Prime Video, HBO Max, Netflix. For you all, there are 5 main places you might want to start with. For physical books, you want to use the Harding Library catalog to look for books and request them. And if you want to pick the St. Paul Library, if you're looking for ebooks, you can look in the Libby app that's on your iPad, Cloud Library, Tumblebook Cloud, which is a website, or the McAnVia app, which is also on your iPad. Your teacher will be showing you a guide which has video tutorials on how to access each of these websites. There are, of course, differences to how library websites work compared to video websites. So I'm going to show you one website and explain the differences, and the other ones will work pretty similarly. But if you get stuck, there are videos on how to use each website on the guide. Unlike the streaming websites, the library has only a few copies of each book, both in the physical libraries and on the ebook websites. In all the websites, you can look for the topic section and browse for different genres you might be interested in, like fantasy or sports, mystery, horror, and then once you click on it, you'll see a list of books that fall into that category. In this catalog, there's a green N in the corner to show that we have copies, and you can just place a hold and I'll go grab it for you and you can pick it up at the library. Most of the ebook websites will say borrow and you can just have it right away, or hold and you can have it after the next person in line is done. If you find yourself getting stuck, this guide has a lot of helpful links and videos to get you started. In this app section, you'll see there are videos that you can watch to learn how to log into each app. Over on the right here, we have videos on exactly how to do contactless curbside pickup at the Harding Library and at the St. Paul Public Library, along with links to both catalogs. If you need suggestions about maybe books to start with, you can look at our tabs for the different genres. There'll be a video to learn about each genre, as well as some book suggestions, both physical and ebooks. You can also click the link to browse for the romance books in the library catalog. And on the right for ebooks, it says exactly which app you'll find each book in. If you need help, right on this home tab, you'll find my contact information. You can email me or make an appointment on Calendly, and I'd love to meet with you to talk about books, research, or any other questions you might have. Happy reading!